If you're looking for an alternative to BambooHR because of the pricing, because of the reliability, or the feature that you just don't need, then this is the video for you. In this video, I'm going to show you different tools that are doing a really good job with leave tracking, so you can find the best fit for you. But first, let's talk about why people might be leaving BambooHR. First of all, this is a big HR tool, and it covers different features that you might actually don't need, especially if you're looking for an alternative just for leave tracking. For example, here's hiring onboarding, HR data reporting, payroll and time, benefits administration, employee experience, performance management, and compensation. This is all included in BambooHR. So if you're not really using all of these features, you might not want to go through a really lengthy sales process. For example, on their pricing page, you can see that they're starting their pricing with $10 per month per employee, but actually this is not the price you're going to end up with. So you have to contact someone from their sales team to get a quote. Then it's going to take a lot of time to get your account and your company set up, and you might be locked into this tool for a long time, even if you don't need all the features. So these are some of the reasons why people might be moving away from BambooHR if they just need leave tracking. And this is especially true for smaller teams, maybe less than 50 people. So teams that are just moving away from spreadsheets and need something more automated for leave tracking. But maybe they're not yet at the level of needing a full HR tool like BambooHR. And there are also some problems that Reddit users have brought up. For example, they're saying that at the end of the year, BambooHR can be a bit glitchy when it's calculating all of the leaves of different people in your team. So you have to double check everything for accuracy. And this is something that rarely happens with these purpose-built tools that are just for leave tracking. And another reason complaint from Reddit is that the support is really hard to get in touch with. And instead of humans, you might get AI to answer your questions. And so in the end, you're not getting your problem solved that easily. And another thing that gets mentioned, which is true for all of the bigger HR tools, is the amount of time it takes to onboard. One Reddit user is saying that it took 80 to 100 hours manual work just to get their team on board. And they're not really happy that this was sold to them as easy onboarding. And so the first tool you can use as an alternative to BambooHR's leave management features is Vacation Tracker. And of course, I'm a bit biased here, but I definitely think this is the best alternative out there. Vacation Tracker is purpose-built for vacation tracking or leave management. And this is perfect for teams of less than 50 people, teams who are just moving away from spreadsheets and want something more automated. And of course, since this tool has been around for years now, it's covering most edge cases that you might have with different leave policies in different countries, remote employees versus hybrid ones, and lots of other things. And one of the main benefits is how easy it is to onboard, especially if you're using Microsoft Teams or Slack or Google Workspace with your whole team. You can just bring everybody in through that integration. And then you can keep using the tool inside Microsoft Teams, and you don't even have to open up the web version if you don't want to. So this type of setup only takes you about 10 minutes. Compare it now with BambooHR's onboarding process that might take weeks or even months. So it's really easy to try it out and get your whole team on board. And in terms of pricing, it's really affordable as well, especially if we compare it with the BambooHR's minimum $10 per month per employee. And we all know that this is definitely not the price you're going to end up with. But here, the pricing is really transparent and you know exactly what type of invoice you're getting at the end of the month without the need to go through different modules, sales processes, and new onboarding and upselling. The second tool on this list is Timetastic. This is a great leave tracking tool if your company is based in EU or UK, and it gives you a really nice visual overview of what the whole team is doing. It's especially good if your company is under 200 people or even less. And just like with Vacation Tracker, this tool is great if you're just outgrowing the spreadsheets and you want something more affordable and purpose-built for leave tracking. Pricing here is also really affordable and you get all the features that you need for basic leave tracking. So keep this in mind if you are a European company. The next tool is called Factorial HR. This is a larger tool as well, just like BambooHR. So it offers different solutions here like time management, which includes time off or leave management, time tracking, shift management, project management, then also employee performance tracking, talent acquisition, onboarding, and so on. So basically, this is a good alternative for BambooHR if you're looking for a bit more affordable solution, but still need all of those different HR features, or you're thinking that you might need them really soon. And also Factorial is more focused on European companies. If you are a EU company, then you might give it a go. So here as well, the pricing is not as transparent, but they are reporting a bit lower monthly fee as the minimum. So if budget is your main concern with BambooHR, then Factorial might be the solution for you. The next tool I'm covering here is called AttendanceBot. This is a a good choice if you're running an agency or a consultancy and you're working on project basis, and you might also want to do billing per hour to clients. Because this software on top of leave management also gives you options to do time tracking, employee scheduling, and absence management. And it also works inside Slack and inside Microsoft Teams. So this is something that's really convenient for teams who are already using these tools. And the pricing is also more affordable than BambooHR, although a bit more expensive than the purpose-built vacation tracking tools that I mentioned earlier. And the last tool is called Workday, and this is actually going to a different direction. So if you're looking for a BambooHR alternative more on the enterprise side, then this might be a tool for you. It definitely offers more products inside the toolkit, and it's built for bigger companies who need enterprise level support and all of the handholding that goes with it. So check out Workday if you're not looking for a smaller, more specific leave management tool, but you actually want to go bigger. That concludes the list of BambooHR alternatives. I hope you found the tool for you, and now you can check out this other video here.